Me not like you. I've been like, I don't know when we cook food like this. But me not like you. Me really enjoy the food.
Me too.
100%.
Yeah, food is bad. So people, Rico is in the kitchen today.
Yeah,
Wholly and solely.
For sure.
He's cooking. What you cooking?
Start to cook.
Guys.
Before we start to cook, we got a little HQ. A long time we don't drink none, no joke. We got 2 glasses, one for me, one for wifey. We got thing that we buckle, you know what I mean?
Hennessy.
Just get off work, get a little anything that we buckle. One for me, one for the wifey. Alright, gonna pour it. Maybe it could be stronger. I don't mind. Right?
So you're not telling them what you're cooking? He's cooking salt mackerel because it's raining outside.
Yeah.
It's raining hard, cats and dogs.
Yeah, it reminds me of Jamaica, you know, when the old lady coming from school, you know what I mean, and mommy having food ready. You can't wait some time, you know, when the food ready.
Yeah, but most Jamaican, you know, so we eat dumpling in a rainy time.
Yeah,
yeah, thank you.
Cheers. Cheers. Very strong. Ah, you call it incredible Hulk.
So, yeah. So what we cooking? We cooking what?
You get some yam from
Rogers. Remember the video I uploaded, guys? Yeah, we got this yam from Rogers. It was really good. As you can see, in Jamaica, you know, when the yam color not change, you know, say good.
Yeah.
It really good. So yeah, the
nice
yam.
choice.
Yeah, good choice. The yam color never change at all.
Yeah, for sure.
So we'll cook yam.
We cook yam,
Dumpling.
banana, dumpling.
Like typical Jamaican
And
corn.
corn.
Typical Jamaican salt mackerel, right?
Yeah, salt mackerel and dumpling, or salt mackerel and food, you know.
And the salt mackerel is already cooking. And like a lot of people,
Should have salt mackerel, you see.
yeah, but a lot of people, you know, they cook the salt mackerel separate. But we have options, so we chose to boil it in the same pot. Like we're gonna cook the
You don't
food.
believe me, I think where you come from in Jamaica, sometimes you do it different.
Yeah, cause some like my aunt Auntie Shirley,
Yeah.
she slice it up and cook it different, like cook it separate,
Okay.
and then she just season it up after.
Okay.
Some people cook it like this in the same water where you go cook the dumpling and so in, and then some people overall then just cook the salt mackerel separate by itself.
Definitely. And sometimes we think of the mother who have a more pitney. You think you have to do with it too.
Yeah.
If you got with a pitney, then you now have to do 2, 3, 4 parts.
So then just drop in there, make it easier.
Just drop it and easy and one down and keep moving it faster. So I think of the traditional family.
Well, I guess we're the one down today.
Yeah, if your family bigger, then you do something more faster, you know. Whereas you got with a boy pitney and things like that. You know. When you have cut off small. So got some caramel here. But you know when I grew up, we never like the caramel flour. Yeah, man, for real. Straight white flour, you know.
No, that can't pass my throat.
I'll be honest with you. I can't put me on that floor.
Yes, we all know that.
Yeah, we can't do that.
I do it.
Yeah?
I do it.
Oh, you do it? Well, we
Yeah,
can't.
me use my hand knead the flour. Rico have to use a spoon.
We can't do it.
I
Over the years,
can.
me I cook flour. I don't know why you got the softness for me, huh? We can't do it. Right,
Yeah.
just a little water.
Let me zoom in on you, Papi. Show them what you're doing.
A little water, nice. Kind of easier for me, you know.
Yes, guys. And don't forget to like, share, comment on the channel. Hit the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you will get notified. Always remember to share the channel, like up the channel, comment under the channel, because we're still trying to get our 500 subscribers to do this giveaway. So remember to share up the channel, like up the channel, love up the channel.
Like, man.
Yes.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yes. Like, share, subscribe to Onelovekitchen. Kitchen.
Yeah, put in everything in it, all your best, you know. Give your friend to a friend.
Yeah, pass a friend to a friend.
For sure.
Share it out in your contacts.
Yeah,
Spread the love around.
definitely. And you got live giveaway
Yeah.
It's not like it's fake. People win get the 500 subscriber. You
No, but they know it's fact. Like we always, once our subscriber reach every 100, they know we give away.
Yeah.
Like stuff. So it's no joke thing. It's no joke around here.
Yeah, definitely.
Finished product. But Rico, you sure that someone can do?
We do. And then by the end, it's not even like my hand not too dirty or anything like that. So some people are not with dirty floor.
Mine.
Trying to keep you off it, you know what I mean?
Mine.
I mean, I don't like you really dirty like that. So, you know what I mean? Let's angle the floor. Rest your cover.
But you're not the house.
Finger, yeah, but we still have finger licking clean, you know, finger licking good. I can't see what, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, but you dry your night, they can't make the floor. And now, how me learn to make the floor? You think we can start putting them in?
Everything we go. Yeah, I'm always going for.
I am. You know what, them put them tin for them kind of soft.
Oh.
See how good means. A long time we don't make the floor.
Let's see if you got your touch.
Yeah, you have to rub them in. So the floor is tight, you know. You got fast teeth, you can't eat them. But because
Yeah, they're nice.
The dumpling.
Nice, neat little dumpling. Look at that.
Yes.
Neat little dumpling.
Like you compact them with all your strength. And once you rub them, some people yank them, you know, yank. With a part. They're little big, you know what I mean? Neat dumpling. So like, you know, most Jamaicans, like when they make dumpling, they make cartwheels, don't you?
The man.
The man make some big dumpling, like construction dumpling.
Yeah, like, but the woman they make neat dumpling.
Yeah.
But the man they make.
But no for them, man, you cook this.
But what difference with Johnny cake and dumpling?
You know what I mean?
Cause me hear some people like say, like the old time people, they say Johnny cake.
I think I see them doing. I see them flour.
Yeah, but a fry or cook.
Cook.
A Johnny cake I cook one?
It's still considered the same thing. Yeah, both the same thing. I don't think it really make a difference.
Well,
Yeah, I don't think it make a difference.
I love dumpling and I love rice.
No, you love both.
Yeah, no hiding in that. I love rice. Yeah.
Why I love with flour? I mean with straight flour.
But you know, like rice like that?
No, because where I come from, as I say, the whole lady couldn't never cook rice for you all away. It ain't gonna work in that house. So yeah, boy, people have to find flour for them, straight flour.
So you grew up on flour? Me grew up on rice.
Sometimes even we able to come out of them still. See all the weevil and put it inside, you know. You know, I eat it, you know. You don't really talk man, but you always have to go flour. Dasheen, banana.
Yeah.
Like this.
Me like dasheen. Like some good dry gummy dasheen. Yeah, but me eat rice at breakfast. Whatever Rico go do with the salt mackerel, I learn this from. I'm going to show you what I talk about when you're ready to do that. Because honestly, I never used to do that with salt mackerel. I used to just cook up salt mackerel. But I'm not tell them yet.
Yeah.
So till you're ready to do it, I tell them the secret part of salt mackerel. Were really, really important, guys. And I never knew it until now. So we're going to let you in on a little secret when the salt mackerel is ready.
Yeah. When we have cook up all the chicken and catch all the duck and the breadfruit and, you know what I mean, straight yard the thing, you see me?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You know the vibes, man. They say, yo, what we cooking them, say, yo, dog, we'll eat a duck. You know what I mean? You don't know if their film time to come through, so we're going to make dinner, so you can't make your wife and everything. After all time, you put pressure on confuse her, you know.
Yes,
I
guys.
mean, we are Jamaican most time, and the wife or the girlfriend cook every day. And if you don't cook sometime, mother.
But I always say it's so sexy. I like to see a man in the kitchen. I don't know why.
Definitely.
I always say it's so sexy when males are in the kitchen.
Nice.
No,
Beautiful.
seriously.
Straight up.
It just have one different glow.
Yeah.
Yeah. It just nice. It just look different because every day you used to like man in our kitchen. So when you see one man in our kitchen, it just look How do the food not taste good?
It tastes good, yeah. So I like it and doing bread. But right, if you got a man who can cook.
Yeah, I mind.
Like, you know.
In bad like that.
Yeah, man. Most people try food, they love the food, you know.
Yeah, in bad like that.
And,
You can't hear that.
Yeah, man. Anybody
Bad
try
like
that.
that when it comes to
But
food. Like bad.
But the best part of cooking, to me and you, we combine the dishes.
Yeah, when it's what we combine, like we create some wicked dishes.
Yeah, it's what we
And even
combine.
yesterday, like guys, seriously, when I start to honestly, I just run the camera.
Yeah.
Because yesterday we do like crab leg and stuff.
You try to make it wicked.
Yeah, we do crab leg and like some jerk wings.
Yeah.
And they tell us the food was bad, like bad.
I'm big up to this pan that you stand and sponsor the crowd. You know, and sponsor the crowd are wicked.
Yes, that man the crab leg bad. We think it come over.
That is wicked yesterday. I got a couple of guys on it too from ABT. Big up Shalimar. Big up Lift and Dog.
Big up all everything. Yes, Grace, big up yourself.
Yeah. I know you've been watching. Big up Mark too. I know you've been watching. We got to show you Errol. We got to show you Errol. You know, we have showed those Shalimar.
Oh.
You know what I mean? You have showed those all the good guys. You know, I'm watching because the other day Shalimar and tell me, man, Rico, man, I've been watching the video because I mean, I'm just trying to catch you. I don't know you cooking, you know. But
And if you like this kind of video, guys, leave a comment in the description below.
So we can do it every now and then.
Yeah, so we can just do a live video every now and then. You know, guys, you remember I told you about like the thing I learned from Rico?
Yeah.
This is it. So normally, most people, and you can leave a comment, most people I know, after the salt mackerel is finished cooking, you will just like break it up and then get it ready for saute with your veggies.
Yeah.
But I never know you have to like strip the salt mackerel.
Yeah, I can't eat the skin.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
like you clean off the skin. I never know, and then like you have, let me close up, hold on, let me close up.
So, I can't eat it, you know.
Yeah, but let me show them exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah.
So like you see these right here, yeah. So you have to scrape these off.
Yeah.
So just like that. Just like that. And honestly, I never used to do this. I just used to like what? Just once the salt mackerel is finished cooking, just mash it up, throw in the vegetable and that's
Worth
it.
like all these head piece here. You definitely have to get rid of them. Cause some people, you know, they eat them, but you see all the slime and you know, the slipperiness off it. You really need to move them off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's something new I've learned.
Yeah. Most Jamaicans go eat it like as you said before. Yeah. But we really need clean up the meat, you know. We have a bread named Sally Chain. You know, big up camera to if you never in life. You see me? 'Cause you don't know. Long time we're there, you see me? We meet good friends, good people along the way, you see me? You know what I mean? Big up camera. You see me? Big up Tyro. Good dude. Really good dude. You know? You know, he's a brother, you know what I mean? Humble dude, you know? Come on. Straight up. You know, over the years we meet different people. But you know, we have to support one another. Our life is all about support, you know what I mean? And you know, good dude. You know, you meet crazy people. Coming from Jamaica. People that you never know you don't meet. You know, change the life at least, you know. Change the mindset too, you know what I mean? So so dark, ignorant like you used to call it to work. You know what I mean? You know, Mark, 100% you know if you watch it.
Yeah, Mark, big up yourself.
You know the Mark. You like kitchen, Mark, you like kitchen. You like kitchen, Mark, big up yourself. A long time we don't see you, long time we have a drink.
Yeah, casino link up.
We got a link up. Big up flight, 100%.
I'm winning, Jesus.
Big up yourself with a black. Boy, you love me. and you walk in. So McCarthy, big up yourself. You see me? And you have to respect your friend them. And then regardless, them people that got your back over the years, you know? You know what I mean? So McCarthy, Mr. Black, big up yourself. Mr. Dennis, that's drummer. 100%. Not only that, Vaughn to himself, David Phillips. You know? Yeah man, straight up. So we easy going, Jamaican dinner. Typical thing we eat in any weather. You know, any weather. Sometimes you have a yard and rain the fall, you have to eat some real good food, you know what I mean? You do it.
You ever eat something where you can take you back to your childhood memory? Like, alright, not take you back, but you ever eat something in your childhood memory until this day you remember?
Yeah, there are a few dishes.
No,
right?
give me one.
One of them, but I say, magic mother to me auntie, kissing. Never forgot to have a duck. Cause me like duck meat, you know, cause I don't eat a lot of meat. But me like duck meat. I mean, never forgot, you know, I think, remember what happened and she moved out her, tell us that the Ivan the aunt she went there for a little while. You know, I think she went to build her house, I don't remember it. That's been a long time from your youth, you know. And seafood, I want to eat the duck when we eat and get it. It broke through the duck, you know. You know what I mean? You make me fall in love with the duck. You know? Yeah man, definitely. But you can't forget that duck then.
Alright, you want me tell her mine?
What is it?
Let me tell her mine. Because y'all know me like rice. So I have to talk about rice.
Definitely.
Oh, Rico. So, yeah,
So,
my aunt, Auntie Cutie, big up herself.
definitely.
Yes. You remember one day where me up with my aunt out, Auntie Laurel. Like everybody come home and they are hungry, you know, and she look out. They never forget the white rice cooker. The white rice cooker, she come home and she look out rice and sardine one down. So you mix up the sardine in that rice. Yo, until this day, every day we cook sardine with rice. We try to get it, we just can't get it.
Yeah, you can't
get the flavor. The antibiotic big up herself. Then remember, you know, when you say anything sweet in a hungry belly, that's what she said. When we tell her the antibiotic rice nice, you're anything sweet in a hungry belly.
Yeah, but
no, but seriously, until this day,
you feel the gap.
I swear we can't get sardine and rice to taste again.
You feel the gap big time, big time. You feel the gap big time, you know.
Like everybody in your family been good at something, right?
Yeah.
Not true. Like your auntie good from baking.
Auntie is bake.
But what she good from baking?
She bake, she cook too.
But what your mother good from?
Cook and bake anyway.
Alright, we can tell about mine. Yeah. So you know some Mabel juice.
Oh, juice, yeah, okay.
Juice and blended seasoning. Auntie Elsie, and I think Auntie Elsie do everything, but she good from baking. Auntie Shirley, she good, but I think she good from cold food. Cold food and brandy.
No, when we stayed away last time on the show about I can't talk so she give me. Yeah, straight up. Yeah, for real. And the show about I can't
no, me say me good enough. Auntie Shirley, you're good.
Bread food too.
Yeah, she good, but me have my preference with them.
Me enjoy the food they do because you touch the island and the roots and you want some real food, you know what I mean?
Yes, but they good, but me have some things where me gravitate to them with.
Yeah, definitely.
So me like me saying cold food and broad beef.
Oh, for real.
Because Sunday morning before she go to church, you know, she pressure it halfway. Then after she pressure it halfway, she left it.
Okay.
And then when she come back from church,
she finish
it.
Yeah.
That's how we know, like a traditional Jamaican thing.
Oh, for real?
Seriously?
Yeah.
Me say it and her cold food and broad beef.
You love it, she love it.
Yeah, but me think me like that from she.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, me like Auntie Elsie baking.
Yeah.
And your mother, let me tell you something, the best, when they egg in, me eat, after your mother, I swear.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yo, We say what me never forget the night.
Yeah.
The again body.
Pepper night. Yeah.
And oh, yo.
Yeah. Wicked out there.
Me think we forgot about food critic.
Yeah.
What they call it? Food critic.
I don't know.
Food critic.
Okay.
Yeah. See you know? No man, she give me pig man, the pig wicked.
Yeah, so what she do with it though?
Like she brown stewy.
Yeah, for real.
But it just have one different taste. In white soup, me not even drink white soup.
Yeah.
Me taste white soup from Rico mother, and then me start make white soup so till Rico say no bucket no there.
We can't drink. Cause we grew up on the white soup there, you know? The chicken yogurt and the soup powder.
No, but the
Yeah.
white soup did bad. I think the white soup, you know, have in pumpkin, you know, but you know much, and it have in cock soup. But I think I Maggie one when I so rich.
Yeah.
Like, you know, making yellowish.
No, because you got the pumpkin, but you got the regular chicken yogurt. I think it's chicken yogurt. So you don't have the pumpkin yogurt. You got the chicken yogurt with the chicken flavor.
But
And that's what you put in it.
let me tell you something. The soup is nice, you know, but it color white. You know, normally pumpkin soup have the orange color to it. The soup nice. So me start make the soup like Eric or Lucky. I want no pumpkin in there. Because we did fall in love with the white soup.
When we got picnic, and then you have to worry about the youth then when they come in. When the youth then come in and the youth then come in and on food. You know what I mean? El can broke loose, you have 5 white picnic. Can do nothing to one of them. You see me? Straight up, man. You know, and 5 white picnic, 2 girl picnic, but when the boy them a big boy, cause if you look at me, you know what I mean, me's a big guy. You get the message. So the brother them is a big nigga. So when they look at the brother them, I see them thing too. They are some big guy. So when they come in, if you give them 3-4 dumplings, still can't even do nothing to them. Like what we are cook right now. The one that they could never cook this. Because by the end you only got to feed to one man tea. The one man don't even like you. You know what I mean? So you have to understand. You know, or we eat. We have to eat something strong and it kind of help we even kill it now.
Come Rico,
we,
ready.
We need the sick. We need not now even do it. We just, you know what I mean, very strong.
So delicious.
Just like that.
This is so delicious, guys.
When I go to school, I cook it more and do. But when I'm in a class and when I look in a class and I'm the only boy in a Miss, I think I Miss Lashy her name. She's from Wakefield too. And I'm the only one in the class as boy. And then Mrs. said, no, you know, do good for me, we got welding, but you know, welding never really work out.
Better you see that cooking.
The cooking I went for me. Because I like the cooking. I do a couple little project carried and get a couple of hundred. Just by cooking on my fish and my breadfruit and you know. You know what I mean? You see, man.
Food is done. I throw off the excess water because I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm hungry. What's the food?
I not like you. I've been like, I don't know when we cook food like this. I can't remember last time, like.
You're currently cook food like this,
like, I can't remember. We cook some dumpling, banana, mixing with a dashi, we cook yam, we cook potato. It'd be like months, like a long month, like maybe a year. Maybe 2 years.
No, not so long.
Not so long?
No.
Maybe by this time. Maybe. But me not like them, we really enjoy the food.
Me too.
100%.
Yeah, food is bad.